Hello and welcome to Art with Miss Zoe, with me, your host, Miss Zoe. In this unit, we will learn about the principles of design. The principles of design are balance, unity, variety, emphasis, movement, and proportion. I will discuss each of these principles in a separate video. All of these principles come together to form a cohesive composition. Composition is a fancy word we use to talk about artworks. It means the arrangement and organization of visual elements within a work of art. It is a way that we talk about how an artwork looks. Let's take a quick look at each of these principles. Balance creates a sense of stability and harmony by equally distributing visual weight throughout the composition. Unity is created when all of the elements in the composition feel like they work well together. Variety is used to add interest to your composition, so it doesn't seem so boring and still. Emphasis tells us what is most important in our composition. It helps us tell the viewer where to look. Movement also creates interest in your composition and allows the viewer's eye to move around. Proportion is used to create balance and emphasis, so it really is a principle that helps the other principles. We will discuss all of these principles in more detail in separate videos. Thanks for watching and keep making